Before moving to this video, click that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Hey there, this is Ajay. In this video, I will tell you the best wallpaper app. Many of the people have been searching for the wallpapers throughout the internet, but I have come out with a new one, and it is nothing but it's called the Zedge app. It has tons and tons of wallpapers, and you can find the ringtones too. For further details, see this video. I have given the link in the description box, so if you want to download the app, check in the description. If you like this video, please share and thanks for watching.